welcome to my channel. This is Arjuman. I'm back again today with a new topic on affiliate marketing. Well, why I chose to speak about affiliate marketing today is because there were many of them who were pretty confused about what exactly is affiliate marketing, right? I'm sure you also would have heard a lot of affiliate marketing, but you don't know what is affiliate marketing, right? So affiliate marketing is nothing but referral marketing, okay, where you as an individual, you sign up to an affiliate network of any company, you become an affiliate of this company and you sell the products or services of this particular company and you earn commissions. Okay, this is what affiliate marketing is. So when anybody buys from your affiliate link, the company pays you a commission. So you don't have the investment in the product, you are not investing in any kind of services which the company offers, right? All you do is like you are just investing your time in learning the affiliate business. Okay, it's not as simple as it sounds like. All right, it's not that you have to just go sign up on the company's network. You've been given you are generating an affiliate link. Now once you generate this affiliate link, what next? How will you drive traffic? So what goes in here is not the investment of the product. What goes in here is the investment in of your time to learn the affiliate marketing model and also to understand where to promote your links. Now I'm sure even in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you have seen many of them who are promoting all kind of links like Twitter link, TikTok link, and so many links which says like, okay, earn so much from so and so, earn so much and so and so, and they just spam the link everywhere and anywhere. But do you really think that people will click on those links? I don't think so. You know why? Because people don't click on any links which they don't feel it as a secured link, right? Everybody is spamming around the internet with their links and they expect the sales to happen. But that's really a wrong way of sourcing a client, okay, or having anybody click on your link, okay? So not to risk your credibility and for people to trust what exactly you're selling, you need to learn the business of how to do affiliate marketing. If you don't understand, if you don't learn, and if you don't invest time in learning, then it just becomes a mere waste. You try for a month, 2, 3, 4, and then you say that, oh, come on, I can't do this because nobody is buying, nobody is clicking my link, nothing is happening. What do I do? What do I do? You land up in so much of a confusion, right? So guys, I really suggest you that get a mentor for yourself. Learn from the people who are already successful in the affiliate industry. Learn how to do the business. It's a superb model because you don't need an investment to do affiliate marketing. All right, now coming to the commissions part of affiliate marketing, there are many companies who pay even 20% commission. There are many companies who pay even up to 70-75% commission for any sale which comes from your link. Okay, what you're investing here is your time to learn the business, right? So what happens is after you learn the business, you are generating a good traffic on your link, and anybody who is clicking on your link, the company is tracking the click, okay, and the company does the complete marketing part. So the company takes care of the email marketing. They also do, you know, a constant advertisement. They are completely, you know, sending all the new products to your customers. So the good thing is, even once you have driven the traffic to the link, the company takes care of all the rest of the things, anytime it is, okay. And apart from this, there is also a misconception that people think that affiliate marketing is very similar to network marketing. Well, to be honest, affiliate marketing and network marketing are two different ways of marketing a product or a service. Now, I already spoke to you about affiliate marketing. Now, let me talk to you about network marketing. Network marketing is like you have a particular product, okay, and you purchase a product, so you become a network marketer of that company. So once you become a network marketer of that company, the company has a system where you have a left and a right, or a chain system, and they have many different many different ways, many different strategies of how exactly the network marketing operates, okay. But by its term itself, network marketing is different, because people who are network marketers, what they do is like they, okay, sell within the network. As the term itself says, they sell within the network. So they first go and source the product to their family members, brothers, sister, relatives, friends, colleagues, acquaintances. So they are building a relationship with the people whom they are selling the product. But that's not the same thing in affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you are not exactly building any relationship with your customer. All you're doing is like you are advertising your link on the internet, okay, so much so that people just click on the link, and you never know who has bought the product from where, okay. Yes, of course, you can track it from which traffic source. Either they bought it from Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Ads, whatever it is, you can track it, but you don't know the customer who is buying the product. So in affiliate marketing, you are not exactly building a relationship with the customer like the way you do in the network marketing. All right, so this is a major difference, and this is a misconception which people have. And in network marketing, the commission structure, I don't know, I mean, if it is, it's like, I haven't seen, all right, that the commission is as good as it is in the affiliate marketing. All right, because in affiliate marketing, I have seen people doing really well, and they are doing affiliate marketing as a full-time business. But yes, even in network marketing, there are people who are doing it as a full-time business, but the time and amount which a network marketer invests in, you know, building a relationship to sell a product is like huge, okay, in comparison to affiliate marketing. And the other thing is like people often ask that how long will it take, if I have to make $1,000, how much money, how much time should I spend, how many months it's going to take. Well, I really cannot tell you how long will it take for you to earn what exactly you want to earn, because people have a different way of working, right? So the results are not typical in any kind of marketing. So the results what I get are not necessarily the results what you get, right? Because the way of working could differ. The idea of how anybody takes it forward, and the one person takes it forward and the other person doesn't, the mindset of a person, the aim of a person, the goal of a person, all these things matter a lot in marketing business. Okay, so really the results are not typical. It's not that if one person is making $10,000 in 3 months, you also can do it, because you exactly don't know what kind of strategies they have done. Have they gained this $10,000 through organic traffic or to paid ads? You never know. So the results are really not typical. Okay, so the results are always subject to individual, so it is differing from individual to individual. All right, so that's about it, guys, today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have gained any kind of knowledge from affiliate marketing and the structure what I've explained to you, do support me, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, give me a big thumbs up, okay, comment down below on what videos you want me to come up with. And also I have left a link in my description where I'm referring you to a perfect training, which is like how to set up your business online in next 30 days. So it's a 30-day challenge called as a One Funnel Away challenge from ClickFunnels. It has really helped me a lot, and I'm sure it's going to help you as well. So go click on the One Funnel Away challenge link, take up the challenge. If you're really serious about learning how the online business works, then I definitely want you to go and sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge. All right, the link is given in the description box, and if you are looking for an autoresponder for the email marketing, then I will also leave the link in the description box, so you can sign up through GetResponse. It's a very amazing software for autoresponder for your email automation. Okay, and if at all you are a new business person and you want to host a website, then I have also left the link of Bluehost. It's an amazing platform to host your website, and the services are really great. So I have left the link in the description box, so you can go and grab it as per your convenience and as per your need. All right, thank you so much guys, thanks for watching, have a good day, bye bye.